from Tidy AF here. I'm here with Renee today, and a disclaimer firstly to say between the two of us there are 7 children, so please excuse any background noise that there might be. But without further ado, Renee, can we have a look at your cutlery drawer?
Yes, welcome to my kitchen. I love my kitchen, I love cooking. I enjoy having a clean, neat space, but unfortunately my drawers are never tidy. They are not the way I want them to be. They are unorganized, messy, my cutlery, share compartments. There is a lot of wasted space here, and there has not been a solution for this problem until Lisa and Jared made Tidy AF, custom made drawer inserts. So I'm very excited to transform this drawer today.
And your utensils drawer?
This needs a major overhaul. This is just chaos. I mean, I can't find anything in this drawer. I need to use my peeler every morning to peel carrots for my 3 boys' lunch boxes, and it's always a mission. And with 3 kids, you need life to be organized. So reduce the anxiety, know where everything is, everything needs a place, and soon, thank you to Tidy AF, everything is going to have a compartment in this drawer. So I'm very excited.
So quite often we have lots of customer inquiries asking for help with their Tupperware drawers. How does yours look, Renee?
It is a nightmare. I've tried my Tupperware in a cupboard, that did not work. And now I've got it in a drawer. I try to organize it and keep things in their places in line with lids and containers, but it always gets muddled and messed, and the kids never put it back neatly. So Tupperware needs to be in a drawer, but we definitely need dividers to keep everything in its place.
I think it will make a world of difference. I can't wait to get this drawer transformed. So everybody has a baking drawer. Who doesn't like to bake? Renee, talk us through your baking drawer.
I love baking, especially nice healthy food for my 3 boys. But this is messy, it's clunky, it's noisy. Everybody hates this drawer in our family. I desperately need some dividers. I've seen what Tidy AF can do with their compartments, and I'm very excited to get my drawer sorted. I've got an issue here because I've got these rubber liners with holes in them. So the crumbs go through my drawers underneath. Are a bit disgusting, to be honest. There's crumbs everywhere. It's not something that's easily picked up. I don't have time to move everything out of this drawer and clean underneath. So I can't wait to see a Tidy AF drawer liner in all of my drawers.
Can't wait. And we've done it. We have Tidy AF, Renee's kitchen, and popped in drawer organizers and drawer liners. Renee, can we have a look at your cutlery drawer?
Yes, please do. I'm now proud to open this drawer to anyone that comes over. It looks amazing. Everything has its own compartment. It honestly looks like it's out of a brochure. So my house has always been tidy, but not on the inside. Now I'm clean, and my drawers are all tidy, so I'm very, very, very happy. As you can see, everything fits nicely. You can measure the compartments to the size of your cutlery. It's an amazing custom-made product, and I love the cork liner as well. Great pop of color, and no dirt is gonna sit through it.
And that utensils drawer, how's that looking?
Oh, the family's favorite drawer. Everyone's checked this out. Everyone is studying it, so we all know where to put things away. The kids are very happy. They now know where the pillar is.
Yay.
And where it belongs. So my kids have already said, Mum, we know where the pillar goes.
You all want to see how that Tupperware drawer is going. Renee,
Oh, the most relatable drawer to everyone, Tupperware. It looks amazing. Having the compartments for the lids is wonderful. All of my Tupperware fits into each other and it's all got a spot now. It's just a beautiful drawer. We use this drawer multiple times a day, packing school lunches, using containers for leftovers. Now everyone knows where it goes. It's kind of like a bit of a study game now. Look, remember, and put it back where it belongs.
Now, I can't wait to see the baking drawer.
I'm so excited. This drawer has turned out amazingly well. The clanky, noisy drawer is now organised. My baking dishes, my trays, my muffin trays, my pizza trays all have a compartment. I can see everything. It's all going to slot back in where it belongs. It just looks amazing.
It does look incredible.
I'm so happy with this drawer. It was so unorganised and noisy before, and to be honest, it's even caused damage to my kitchen cupboards because when you get something out, you knock it, chip a little bit of the 2-pack off, and that's definitely not going to happen now. I need it just slides in and out. Everything's just so functional. I'm really happy with this drawer. It's my favourite drawer.
Let's talk liners.
I have 11 drawers in my kitchen and they are now all complete with beautiful Tidy AF cork liners. They look amazing. The colours complement a traditional kitchen of white and black. I just am so proud now for people to open my drawers and see these amazing products. Also, I'm not going to have any crumbs going through in between like I used to, so everything will stay tidy. They're also a good sound barrier. When you're putting plates back in, because the cork has some flexibility, they don't make as much noise. And there is one of the 7 children we were talking about.
We've done okay. We not have anyone come in this far, but hello, little darling. Just like that, your kitchen has been tidy AF. How do you feel?
I feel relieved. I can't stop opening and closing my drawers. It's now such a proud part of my house. I've always been a clean person, but my drawers were never neat, and now they are. They are tidy, they are organised, and as a family of 5, being organised in every part of your life is critical to a smooth day. And this is just another thing that has been taken off my stress list, because now when I open my drawers, everything's organised. I can easily pick something up. I know where it is, and the kids know where everything belongs. Not only that, I'm so happy to have a beautiful product, Australian made out of bamboo, which is a sustainable product. It's really important to teach our children about using products that are going to make this beautiful world of ours last a lot longer. And the cork liners are just beautiful. They match the bamboo, it all complements each other, and it just really looks like a high quality product, which it is. I couldn't be happier with my Tidy AF kitchen.
Thank you so much for your time, Renee. It's been so much fun.
It has. Thank you.
Thank you.